Welcome to Sanctuary House. This is where we host our Restore Retreat. Come inside. Restore is a 5-day trauma recovery retreat for adults who have experienced painful or overwhelming life events and want space to begin healing. For many people, life keeps moving while the pain stays unprocessed. Restore was created to offer a safe and intentional space to do that. Each day begins gently, with grounding practices, prayer, reflection, and moments to simply breathe and reconnect with your body and mind. Throughout the retreat, participants are guided by trauma-informed therapists through teachings, small group sessions, experiential activities, and practical tools that help people better understand trauma and how it affects emotions, relationships, and daily life. Healing here is not only about talking. Participants engage in hands-on activities, reflection exercises, creative expression, and guided experiences that help process emotions in meaningful and tangible ways. One of the most powerful parts of Restore is realizing you are not alone. In a supportive and caring environment, people are given space to be heard, understood, and supported without pressure or judgment. Restore is not about having everything figured out. It's about creating room to begin healing, one step at a time. Healing takes courage, but you don't have to do it alone. We'd love to walk alongside you.